Hi everyone, this is Farid from Beep, and in this video I want to share with you how you can use our latest Notion integration. But before we start, if you have any questions, feel free to reach to us at farid@justbeepit.com. We usually reply within a few hours. Here I am on our own website, but you can do it on any website obviously. And if I just click Alt+C to create a beep just like we usually would do, the cool thing is that now, for example, if I go here to projects, in addition to Beep projects, I will also see here Notion projects. So here, when you connect your Notion integration, all of the pages that you have connected, you will actually see them here, all of the databases. In our case, we have connected dev tasks. So if I just select this and I click save, now as you can see, it's saved to dev tasks. In addition to that, you can also tag your teammates that you have in Notion directly from Beep and assign the tasks to them. For example, if I start typing here, change this color, for example, and in order to tag the teammate, all I need to do is just click add n and plus. Now when I do that, I actually get our Notion team and I get all of the people that we have in our Notion team. So right now, for example, I will select Arbus, and that means that Arbus will be tagged as responsible for this task. And obviously you set these things up when you connect the Notion integration. You set all the fields, and if for some reason you feel like you connected the wrong fields, you can always authenticate the integration again. So or actually go to settings in our integrations page and change the settings. So now when I click save, this will be saved to our Notion and it will be saved there as a task, and Arbus will be notified. That's all for the Notion integration. If you have any additional features that you would like, just reach out to us, and we're actually adding new features every week. So yeah, bye bye.